Google has recently released the camera version 8.8 update for its Pixel line of devices. The update brings various stability and performance improvements to the camera app. However, some Pixel 6 owners are not getting the version 8.8 update on their smartphones. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Interestingly, it seems that only those who have installed the recently released March 2023 update are affected by this issue. Those on older firmware are able to get the update without any problems. It's worth mentioning that some Pixel 7 users claim that they have not received the app update as well. So it's quite possible that this is just a part of the staged rollout. This was also confirmed by many Pixel users and a Google product expert that the update is being rolled out in batches and should reach everyone soon. But if you're eager to get it right now, there is a potential workaround. You can try installing the new version with a bundled APK through a third-party installer like Split APK Installer or the APK Mirror Installer app. The link for the bundled APK is in the description. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.